Your crutches go in front of you. Your right foot, the bad foot, goes in front. You place it on the middle and your knee is always going forwards. So your weight goes across the crutches as your other foot is coming across. Your right knee is going to go forwards like that. Okay, and there are 3 ways of doing it. There's non-weight bearing, where your right knee, your foot is off and you're transferring the weight all on the crutches. There's partial weight bearing, which is what you're going to do, which is where you put your foot forward and roll through, sharing the weight between your foot and the crutches as the other foot comes through. And then there's full weight bearing, where you're just doing this. And you'll see your knee always goes forward. Full weight bearing, I'm doing full weight on it, okay, as it's going through. And anything from 0 to full weight bearing is possible when you use that technique. So let's now ask you to try that. Remember, because the height of this is quite high, you need an even up on that side to lift you up, or a big thick trainer so that you're not feeling awful. The crutches go forward, your right foot goes forward, your knee comes forward as you go forward and perfect. And if you do that now from the side, we can see you, if you come over here, and let's do that from the side. So crutches forward, and then the right foot forward, and the knee is always coming forward, perfect, and transfer your weight across. Okay, never ever lock your knee. Try doing it with your locking your knee, you'll see how hard it is. Yeah, if you lock your knee, you'll end up with knee problems and back problems. So always your knee has to go forwards. Don't ever try that. Never lock your knee. So rock and roll forward, that's great. Great.